Hello! If your Santander app is not working and letting you log in, then you have come to right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Santander app which is not letting you log in. Now, in order to get started with the fixing process, the first step is navigating to our Play Store or App Store depending on your device. I'm on Android, so I'm going to navigate to my Play Store. Now there, we can search for Santander by clicking on this search icon. Now if you search for it, you can see Santander app. Now among the options given right here, uninstall and open, if there is update instead, you need to click on that update button and the app will be updated. That should very much fix the problem that you were having with logging into your Santander app. Now, if your problem still persists, you need to follow this next step, which includes clearing the cache and data. So for that, you need to long press on this app icon. Now it will give you some options. If you find info right around here itself, just click on it and navigate to wherever it leads to. And if it is not there, this also means, this I symbol also means information. So let's click on it. Now in here, you can find storage. So if you select storage, at the bottom, you can see clear data and clear cache. So you need to click on both of these one at a time and your data and cache will be cleared and you are ready to take your next step for solving your problem. It is highly likely that this step should solve a problem if the first one didn't work. Now if everything still keeps the same, stays the same, you need to navigate to your Play Store. Now instead of open or update, you need to click on this uninstall. There are other ways to uninstall the app, but this is a short way that you can find uninstall right in here. So click on uninstall and reinstall your app again. So after following all these 3 steps, your problem most probably should have been gone. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any problems or questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.